If you want to crop in Photopea, whether you need to trim a full image, make a perfect square, or crop tightly around a specific object, this video will show you the easiest ways to do it. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photopea guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, let's cover the standard crop method in Photopea. Open your image in Photopea, then look to the left toolbar and select the crop tool. You can use the keyboard shortcuts to get there faster. The crop tool is the one that looks like two overlapping right angles, and it's the main tool you'll use for cropping the whole canvas. Once the crop tool is active, look up at the top options bar. Here you can decide how you want the crop to behave. If you want full freedom, leave the drop-down set to free. That lets you resize the crop area however you want. But if you need a specific shape, you can choose a fixed aspect ratio like 1:1 for a square, 16:9 for a widescreen video thumbnail, or 4:5 for social media content. This is really useful when you want your crop to match a platform exactly. Now adjust the crop box by dragging the corners or edges. You'll see handles around the image, and you can pull them in or out until the frame looks right. If you need to shift the image within the crop area, just click and drag inside the box itself. This makes it easy to line up your subject exactly where you want it. Before you confirm the crop, there's an important option you should understand. Delete cropped pixels. If this box is checked, Photopea will permanently remove the pixels outside your crop area. That means the cropped out area is gone for good. If it's unchecked, the crop is non-destructive, which means the hidden pixels are still there and you can adjust the crop again later. If you're not totally sure yet, leaving it unchecked is usually the safer choice. When everything looks good, press enter on your keyboard or click the checkmark icon in the top options bar to apply the crop. And just like that, you've cropped your image in Photopea. Now let's go over a second method, which is perfect if you already made a selection and want the canvas to snap tightly around it. This is especially helpful when you've drawn a box around an object and want the image cropped exactly to that area. To do this, select the rectangle select tool from the left toolbar. You can use the shortcut M if you want to move quickly, then drag a selection around the exact part of the image you want to keep. Try to be as precise as possible so the crop matches your subject or design. After your selection is in place, go to the top menu and click Image, then choose Crop. Photopea will instantly crop the canvas to the selected area. This is a very fast way to crop when you already know the exact section you want. Once that's done, if you want to clear the selection, press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac. That deselects the active selection so you can keep working without the marching ants on screen. So to quickly recap, use the crop tool for general cropping, aspect ratios, and flexible adjustments, and use the selection-based crop method when you want to crop tightly around a specific object or area. Both methods are simple, powerful, and beginner-friendly once you know where to click. If this Photopea tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy editing tips, quick design walkthroughs, and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.